Kino kyekyalo Father Dominic Alinga kwe yakulira era nga teri mutakansi kuno atamumanyi. Okumanya bano bamutegeera batubuulidde nti obudde bwe obusinga yabumalanga ku seminaariyo nga bw'abeera ewaka okusaba kye kintu ky'asinga okwettanira.
So in the seminary, I never had any other things. Till he became what? Father. The time he was ordained, he was there.
Ono siniya ye ey'okuna yagimalira ku Apostles of Jesus Seminary Naddungeeti mu disitulikiti y'e Moroto era omu ku bantu be yasomako nabo amunyumyako ng'omuvubuka eyali omugezi kayingo.
Father Dominic was a kind of a person who was, he was anxious of doing some things. He was too creative. He was too creative. He say, I want to do this. Say, let's do this. Let's create this. We could look ways of trying to bring things together. So that's, of course, coupled with his intelligence, that is one of the bright ways. I may say coupled with his intelligence. So that thing gave him the confidence that when we do this, this is really correct. It is really okay that we're able to establish it.
Even when his father died, he lived a hard life. He was left very young and orphan. But just because he was someone, he had very many friends.
Tinga amawulire gatandise okusaasaana nti Alinga atemudde omuntu omu ku bakulu ku kyalo yagezaako okumutuukirira.
The boy told us that, he narrated to us that maybe this man he wanted to destroy his life, that he's going to talk about to take money, either spoil his life or what. That he is surprised. He saw this man putting the knife. He wanted to knife him. When he broke the knife up, he also called to his hand that the knife cut his hand. I think he is struggling now. He happened to get a knife from him.
Kino kye kyasinga okumenya abakulu b'ekyalo.
The whole family, the whole Napa is really crying. But this boy was completely never attempted to do anything, but he was very kind, staying with people.
Maama wa Nenyakereziya olw'okuwummuza omwana waabwe ku buwaze era nga kino bateebereza nti kyandibanga kye kyamujje mu mbeera okutuuka okuzza ogwa Nnamunkululu.
But surprisingly, what he has happened to him, they cannot tell him. Because maybe like his brother who has been down to be saying he might have done something, but the whole of his life, even if now you look the whole of his family, he will not get any variety from primary, even from back when he was still in Yahoo.
Father Alinga yabadde alabirira abantu b'okuli baganda be 5 ne bannamwandu ba kitaawe 2. Alinga akyakuumirwa kaduukulu ka poliisi nga bw'alinda okugasimbagana n'omulamuzi.